Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today we have a mini focus watch. I know I've done a few reviews on mini focus watches, and I do like the quality of these things, so I did just get one in today, and I know it's a Richard Mille design, but I haven't opened it yet to take a good look at it. So here I am, getting ready to open it up and see what we've got. So comes in a nice cardboard box. It's, an average box. Um, it looks nice at a glance. It looks really nice. Looks like it comes with the certificate of authenticity or something that comes with it. Serial number and all. Nice looking watch right off hand. Not a big fan of this band, though. I can already tell right off the bat I don't like this band. I was expecting a silicone band, but it seems like it's a 3D printed band. It's got that rough, plasticky toy feeling to it. I'm not a big fan of this band at all. No, I don't like this. So as far as the watch itself is concerned, I mean, it's nice. You can't beat it for the price point. Honestly, guys, it's, I think, somewhere in the neighborhood of 30 bucks, $35, something like that. It says it's water resistant. The watch itself looks pretty decent. It's, it's the band that kills it for me. Honestly, it's the band that kills this watch for me. If this had an actual silicone band, I would definitely like it a lot better. But due to the fact that it's this plastic, I don't like that. It's like it's just gonna be uncomfortable to wear. Other than that, it's a nice watch. It looks like it's a good quality case. I would definitely change this watch band out. So I guess if you were to purchase this watch, unless you like this type of a material, but to me I think it feels kind of toyish. It feels like a 3D printed material, and it's very, very stiff and rigid. So it's kind of like a toy. Doesn't really conform to the wrist very well. It's definitely not the same as silicone, I'll tell you that right now. But for the price, I guess you can't complain. You could probably pick up a silicone band somewhere for another 10 bucks or so. But honestly, I would probably pass on this one just because of the band. Unless you can find a cheap enough band to replace it. Which is too bad, because the watch itself, like if you don't think about the band and you're just taking a look at the watch itself, it's nice. I mean, that's a nice looking watch. It's got a nice case. It's got nice rose gold around the, all the dials and the hands. It does have that Richard Mille look to it. It's really, really close in resemblance. It's a nice watch, but the band kills it for me, guys, honestly. So if you are going to pick one of these up, I would budget in an extra, 10 bucks or so to make sure that you pick up a nice band for it, unless this doesn't bother you. But to me, the color seems off. I think it should be more deep red. It's a very rigid, plasticky type of a band. And that's really all I can say about it. I mean, honestly, if that wasn't a factor, then it would be a decent watch. I can't say I wouldn't completely recommend it, but like I said, if you're going to if you're gonna get this watch, you're probably gonna want a better watch band for it. So anyhow, that's about all I can really say about this. If you like these videos and you want to keep them coming, just make sure you give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I would probably say on a scale of 1 to 10, this is probably a 6. If you put a good band on it, probably closer to an 8 or a 9. So you can just kind of go based on that. It is solid. It's not plastic. It's a decent built watch. And that's where we stand with it. So anyhow, like these videos, thumbs up, like, subscribe. Leave your comments below. If you have one of these, leave a comment below and tell me what you did, if you changed out the band, if you didn't, if you like it the way it is, or if you don't. Or if you have any other comments, just leave your comments below. I'll reply to comments. And like I said, if you guys have any other watches you want me to review, make sure you leave those in the comment section below also, and I'll probably pick those watches up and do those for you too. So anyway, until next time, this is Dave the Watchman, and I review watches, budget-friendly watches for the everyman. And I don't believe that you have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. Stay tuned to my channel, and I will be reviewing more and more watches. I have quite a few watches coming in this week, and I will be going over those as well. So it is Monday, and I hope you guys have a great week. Check back in and check out some of my other watches this week. I got a lot of new stuff coming in. So Dave the Watchman, have a great day. I am out of here.